Hi everybody, my name is Joshua Goldstein, licensed acupuncturist and Chinese herbalist here in Ridgewood, New Jersey. And today I'm going to talk to you about how we help super stressed patients. When I treat a lot of people for stress, I come across some of these people that are not just stressed and anxious, but they're super stressed. What are super stressed people? Usually they talk fast, they find it hard to relax, they drive fast, they lose patience, they have digestive issues, they get very severe palpitations, they don't sleep, they fill their day up with activity after activity after activity after task after task after task. In other words, they keep themselves super busy. They're literally driven by some force that does not allow them to relax. And I see this a lot. These people will sweat or will have feel very cold or have alternating temperature issues, and they just won't be able to sit still, and they'll fidget even. And if you're one of these people, I'm really sorry that you're suffering from this. But in Chinese medicine, when we see people like this, we are now seeing your body getting depleted of nutrients and blood, particularly the blood volume. So if your blood volume and your nutrients in your blood are getting depleted over time, you're going to have less of a filter. Your nervous system is going to lose that relaxation response, or that parasympathetic relaxation part of your nervous system. Remember, the nervous system needs to be balanced. Most of us are overly stimulated with the sympathetic nervous system, or the fight or flight system, but we can come back down to some degree. And if we continue to push and push and push, or our bodies keep pushing, we start to lose that anchoring factor of the parasympathetic, or that relaxation part of your system. This is going to cause you to feel more and more revved up, more and more tired, and more inability to relax. But in people who are super stressed out, they never even get that relaxation part, and they're always just going and going and going. So that over time, this is going to deplete you and make you feel less active. It will make you feel less able to handle things. And at some point, you're just not going to be able to handle life super well. And you'll be on many, 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 many medications. But as we all know, medications are great to a certain extent, but then there's those gap symptoms that you have. From Chinese medicine point of view, we will see this when we diagnose you. We do something called Chinese pulse diagnosis, where we feel 3 positions on the wrist. Each of those positions relate to a different organ system. And what we're looking for is not so much how fast the pulse rate is, which we do when we go to the doctor and when we're running or exercising, but we're also looking for the strength of the pulse. And we're looking to see which pulses are more blocked and which pulses are more hyper. In people who are super stressed out, you will see a pulse that's very tight and thin, like a wire, and it'll be jumping up and down with or without force. That thinness shows the depletion of the body under stress. If you look at the diagram, as you can see, the normal pulse here should have a nice convex quality in most of the pulses, and they should be higher up. But with people who are super stressed, they will have this bouncy, tight, wiry, sort of like a guitar string pulse. And this is a very severe exhaustion of the body, with inability to regenerate blood and inability to develop to use the nutrients that your body has to calm you down. You're essentially leaking the coolant. So some people, like when you look at a car, sometimes the car goes on fire because your engine overheated and blew up. But here, it's sort of the oil of the car that's not working and lubricating and moistening Same way it's not calming and relaxing and putting your body into a restful state. And so your engine's going to overheat, your pipes are going to get hot, and you're going to start to develop cracks in it. So what we do in our office to help you is we use acupuncture to stimulate a lot of points that help relax the nervous system, particularly through the vagus nerve. We also use points to help nourish the body so your body can get nutrients. And we also would do, if people are open to it, we use very specific supplements to nourish the body and to moisturize the body so the body can feel calmer and you can start to feel more and more relaxed. If this sort of fits your picture and you're looking for more natural help to complement the other therapies that you're doing, please feel to reach out to me. My name is Joshua Goldstein. I'm here in Ridgewood, New Jersey. I can be reached at 201-444-7150, or you can email me at joshua@acupunctureyes.com. That's joshua@acupunctureyes.com. Thanks so much for watching. This is Joshua Goldstein, everyone's favorite acupuncturist, saying bye for now.